Hi everyone, I'm here in Barcelona. Gothic Quarter, rich Roman heritage, and a vibrant Catalan identity. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most unique and symbolic monuments in the city. The monument als Castellers, G. This is a tribute to the Castellers, the brave and talented people who create these amazing structures with their own hands and feet. Join me as I discover the secrets of the human towers. Please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. In this part, I'm going to show you one of the most important and historic squares in Barcelona, Placa Sant Jaume. This is where the City Hall and the Palace of the Catalan government stand face to face. Representing the power and identity of Catalonia, this is also where the Roman city of Barcelona was founded, and where you can still see some of its remains. Join me as I discover the secrets and stories of this fascinating square. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Thank you.
Hij stak 4 vingers op waar ik het al eerder over had. Hij drukte 4 vingers in de mond en in de maag. Hij pakte zijn schouderspil en hij stak 4 vingers op de Ik zei al, dat zegt een stuk zo zeggen dat we daar naar de Catalonia gaan. Verhaal eigenlijk.
On this part, I will show you Pont del Bisbe. the heart of the city's political and cultural life. This bridge is a masterpiece of neo-Gothic architecture, influenced by Antoni Gaudí and the Bridge of Sighs of Venice. But it also has a hidden surprise, a skull and dagger under it. That could be a sign of bad luck or a symbol of resistance. Come with me and learn more about this intriguing bridge.
It's got a like dagger going. This is it's part of these new things that were added to the Gothic Quarters to make it beautiful. Yes, it's really one of the icons of the Gothic. Okay, but it's not original.
Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Your feedback and support are very important to me, and they motivate me to create more content for you.
Alright, now comes the hard part.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please show your love by liking and subscribing to my channel.